Hi, welcome to Our Math. I'm doing a series of videos on interest. This video is going to compare compound interest with simple interest. So Jan wants to have $45,000 in a bank account in 10 years. And she wants to know how much she needs to invest. So if she found a bank that pays 8% simple interest, this means that simple interest, you calculate the interest once, and then that is exactly the amount of interest you earn each year. It never goes up. Compound interest is each iteration of the interest. You earn interest on your interest, so you're going to earn more money at the end. All right, so our equation that we're going to use is that A equals P1 plus RT. A is the amount at the end of the 10 years. P is what we want to invest, and we don't know that yet. 1 is because we want to add back to the original 100%. That's our rate as a decimal. That's the number of years. This is all on the same line. There's no exponents. So calculations are a little bit simpler. We have 45,000. We don't know what she needs to invest. The rate is 8%. The years are 10. If we want to calculate this first, we don't have to. We could just divide right away. We would have 45,000 equals P times 1.8. And if we divided by this 1.8, we would see that the initial amount she needs to invest is $25,000. So 25,000 today, 45,000 in 10 years. So what happens if instead of simple interest, she actually finds a bank that'll do compound interest? So now we're going to use A equals P1 plus R over N to the NT. And so what's happening here is the 7% is going to get divided evenly amongst the 52 weeks in a year. But then because you're applying interest 52 times, it's 52 times a year. So 52 times the number of years. So she wants 45,000 again. We don't know what the initial is. This time it's 7% interest, so less interest implies a bigger amount to invest. So if we had 7% simple interest, she would need more than $25,000. This is getting compounded weekly, and it's 52 weeks a year for 10 years, so there's going to be 520 iterations. This I'm not going to try to simplify like I did the last time. I'm just going to take both sides of this and divide by 1 plus 0.07 divided by 52. I will take 52 times 10 and make it 520. Because this is going to be a repeating decimal or an irrational number, and if you start going to decimal, you're going to get rounding errors, and I like to avoid that. And this is a really simple thing to throw into your calculator. You don't even have to do anything funky. You just say 45,000 divide, parenthesis, the blah, 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 close parenthesis to the 520. You don't even have to do anything funky with extra parentheses or anything. So my principal in this situation is $22,356.86. We round to 2 decimal places because it's money. We didn't have to this time because it actually came out to a solid 25,000. There was no rounding involved. But notice, even with less interest, she needs less money down to grow her money to 45. And notice in this case, she's going to end up with over double what she invested. And in this case, it was under double. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, like my videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.